Yo, what's up everybody? Pretty sure you guys can't see me right now. It's pretty dark out here. It's actually 4:12 a.m. and I am headed to Ammo AZ right now in hopes that they have 9mm ammo. Hoping there isn't already a long line, and hoping that I get there in time to buy me some ammo. That is, if they do have some. Keep you guys updated. Hopefully I'm able to record with the GoPro because it's honestly really dark out here. Not sure how good this video is gonna be, but yeah guys, stick around and we'll see what happens. So quick update, pulled up to Ammo AZ at about, what was it? Let me see. 4:28. Not a single person in sight. And at about a minute later, legit a minute later, somebody else pulled up. So first one here showed up at 4:28. It's 5:28 right now, so I've been here a whole hour, just hanging out in my car. Oh, sorry, excuse me. I've been here for a whole hour now. Here I was thinking that the doors open at 9 a.m. Come to realize they open at 10 a.m. because it's Saturday. Why didn't I remember that? I don't know. But as far as it goes, I'm probably gonna hang out in the car for as long as I can before people try to line up and think they can cut me off. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys on an update of once I'm in line and doors are about to open. So take care everyone. What's up everybody? So just getting off work. So as you guys know, Saturday I went to Ammo AZ. Got there at 4:30 in the morning. Waited in line and I got me some 40 ammo, 45 ammo. I only bought it so I could flip it. Made a good profit out of it, and yes sir indeed, got me a new Glocko. Yeah. Rose Gold G19 Gen 4. Let's see if we can get. It looks so much nicer in person, but there it is guys. That's what I bought. I waited in line a good amount of time so I can buy it, and I'm proud of it. Well guys, there it is. That's what I did Saturday. Hope you guys enjoyed these small videos. Stick around, I'm gonna do videos of me cleaning this gun, cleaning my other ones. So stay tuned, give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Like I said, once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. Alright, take it easy everybody.